Hi everyone! Today's mission we are going to talk about the explanation text, which will be explained by Group 3. Let's get acquainted with the members of Group 3. Hello, I am Anjali. This is Anggi.
Hello.
Bayu.
Hello everyone.
And Tegar.
Hello.
Previous, what do you know about explanation text? Let's see what is meant by the following explanation text. Definition of explanation text. Explanation is a text which tells processes relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks.
Generic structure of explanation text. General statement stating the phenomenon itself wise are to be explained. Sequential of explanation, stating a series of steps wise explain the phenomenon. Purpose of explanation text. Explanation is a text which tells processes relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena to explain how or why something happens.
Full moon. A full moon is the lunar phase that occurs when the moon is completely illuminated as seen from the earth. This occurs when the moon is in opposition to the sun. When it is on the opposite side of the earth from the sun, more precisely when the ecliptic longitude of the sun and moon differ by 180 degrees. This means that the hemisphere of the moon that is facing the earth, the near side, is almost fully illuminated by the sun and approach round, while the far side is almost completely illuminated. Lunar eclipse can occur only at full moon, where the moon's orbit allows it to pass through the Earth's shadow. Lunar eclipses do not occur every month because the moon usually passes above or below the Earth's shadow, which is mostly restricted to the eclipse plane.
Lunar eclipse can occur only when the full moon occurs near the two nodes of the orbit, at either the ascending or descending node. This causes eclipses to only occur about every 6 months, and often 2 weeks before or after a solar eclipse at new moon at the opposite node. The time interval between similar lunar phases, the synodic north, averages about 29 and 53 days. Therefore, in those lunar calendars in which each month begins on the new moon, The full moon falls on either the 14th or 15th of the lunar month, because calendar months have a whole number of days. Lunar months may be either 29 or 30 days long.